Hey there, it's Des for T-Mobile, and today Google just wrapped up their Made by Google event where they announced some new additions to the Pixel portfolio. The new Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro smartphones and the new Pixel Watch 2. Now in this video, I'm gonna focus on the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, but we'll be back with more on the Pixel Watch 2 in another video. And spoiler alert, they all rock T-Mobile's nationwide network. Now before we jump into some of the cool new Pixel features that Google showed us, I wanna have a look at this beautiful hardware. It's sleek and sophisticated, with an evolved camera design and rounded corners for better comfort in the hand. Both phones now feature flat displays, which I think improves usability and limits accidental touches. The Pixel 8 features a glass back and 100% recycled aluminum housing and camera bar. And the Pixel 8 Pro features matte glass on the back with a 100% recycled aluminum housing and camera bar as well. And both of these phones feel really, really good. Now let's talk about the new Pixel camera features. The list is extensive, but here's what really rose to the top for me. Now the first one is Audio Magic Eraser. I'm sure you've had this happen. You go to press record and sirens. No worries, you've got Audio Magic Eraser to the rescue. And just like that, less siren noise and more music. Now with Magic Editor, you can use the power of your Pixel with Google AI to reimagine that sunset shot you've always wanted, moving yourself front and center and making the sky look, there we go, just right. Best Take catches the goofballs and helps you create a photo that has everyone looking their best. And the magic doesn't end there. With Magic Eraser, you can still remove unwanted people or objects right from the Photos app. Astrophotography will help you capture the stars. Night Sight will help with amazing low-light photography. And there's Super Res Zoom, Macro Focus, Face Unblur, Pro Controls for advanced camera settings, and more. The rear cameras for the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro have been fully upgraded. The Pixel 8 is equipped with an upgraded 50 megapixel main camera and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera. And the Pixel 8 Pro comes with an all-new 50 megapixel main camera, a new 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a new 48 megapixel telephoto camera. And they both have 10.5 megapixel front-facing cameras. The Pixel 8 has a 6.2-inch Actua display, and the Pixel 8 Pro's 6.7-inch Super Actua display is brighter than ever. Both the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are powered by the new Google Tensor G3 processor, which is Pixel's most powerful chip yet. It's custom designed with Google AI for those cutting-edge photo and video features and smarter ways to be helpful throughout the day. So there you go, the new helpful Google Pixel 8 and the all-pro Google Pixel 8 Pro. We hope you've enjoyed this quick first look at these phones, engineered by Google, packed with some truly amazing camera features, ready to rock T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. You'll be able to get yours with some great offers available for pre-orders and launch at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at tmobile.com. This has been Des for T-Mobile. Thanks so much for watching. Now, stay tuned for another great video coming up next.